welcome to the 10th session of our Maths online class. Hope you all are fit and fine and staying at home. Okay, so yesterday I was explaining place value. Okay, what is place value? Place value is the value of the digit according to the place in a number. Okay, according to the place in a number. Okay, now what is this? What I have written? A number. The number is, now we know how to read 3-digit numbers. It is 273. Okay, so now in this number what are the digits? The digits are 3, 7 and 2. Okay, and what are the places of these digits? Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, now so place value is the value of each digit. Okay, value of digit according to the place in a number. Okay, so how do we find this place? A place value of a digit with the help of place. Okay, on the basis of its place. Now 3 is at ones place. Now we'll not write in words, we'll write direct numbers. Okay, the place value in numbers. Okay, 3 ones. 3 is at ones place. 3 ones. We'll write 3. Place value of 3 is 3. It is at ones place. Okay. Now what is the place of 7? 7 is at tens place. So place value of 7 is 70. Okay. 7 tens 70. Now 2 is at hundreds place. So its place value will be 200. Okay. 200s. Its place value is 200 in numbers. Okay. So place value of 3 is 3 as it is at ones place. Place value of 7 is 70 as it is at tens place. Place value of 2 is 200 as it is at hundreds place. Okay. Now if the number is 300, we have to write the place values. Now see here, place value of 0 at ones place will be 0. Place value of 0 at tens place will again be 0. Okay, as I have taught you, place value of 0 is always 0. Okay, whether it is at ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, now here 3 is at hundreds place, so its value will be, place value will be 300. Okay, got it now? Now open your books, all of you, page number 28. Okay, open the book, page number 28, exercise 2.3. We'll do these two questions first, question number 2 and 3 in the book. Okay, so get ready, all of you. Okay, so here is the question number 2. Write the place value of all the digits of the given numbers. What are the numbers? 325, it is given in the book, and 604. Okay, now we have to write the place values of each digit. Okay, place value of each digit. Now begin with highest place. Here it is given. Place value of 3 is, what is the place of 3? Ones, tens, 100. 3 is at hundreds place, so its place value will be 300. Okay, now place value of 2. What is the place of 2? Ones, tens. 2 is at tens place, so place value of 2 is 2 tens means 20. Okay, then place value of 5. What is the place of 5? 5 is at ones place, so its place value will be 5. Okay, 325. Now next number is 604. So place value of 6. What is the place of 6? Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so its place value will be 600. Clear? Place value of 0. Place value of 0 is always 0. Okay, then place value of 4. 4 is at ones place, so place value of 4 will be the number itself, that is 4. So what are the place values of 6, 0 and 4? 600, 0 and 4. Write these answers in your book, all of you. So here is the third question, question number 3. Again, place value. Write the place value of the circled numbers. Okay, we have to write the place values only of the circled numbers, circled digits. Okay, so here I have circled numbers with red color. See here, I hope it is visible. Now first number is 418. Okay, which number is circled? 1. What is the place of 1? Ones, tens. 1 is at tens place, 1 tens means place value will be 10. Okay. Now next number is 963. The circled digit is 9. What is the place of 9? Ones, tens, hundreds. 9 is at hundreds place, 9 hundreds. The value will be 900. Okay. Third number is 119. Okay. The circled digit is 1. And what is the place of 1? Hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. So its place value will be 100. Now next number is 618. What is the circled digit? It is 8. What is the place? Ones. Okay. So it is at ones place. Its place value will be 8. Okay. Next number is 424. What is the place of 2? Circled digit is 2. Its place is tens. Okay. It is at tens place. So its place value will be 20. 2 tens is 20. Now 756. The circled digit is 6. So its place value will be 6 as it is at ones place. 6 ones is 6. Okay. Now the number is 334. What is the place of 3? 3 is at tens place. Ones tens. 3 is at tens place. So 3 tens is 30. The place value will be 30. Next number is 950. Circled number is 9. And place of 9 is hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 900 will be the place value of 9. Okay. Last number is 551. Okay. Place of 1 is ones. Ones, 1, 1. So its place value will be 1. Okay. So write down all these place values in your book. Okay. So now I hope place value is clear to you all. How to find out the place value. And what is place value? Place value is the value of the digit in a number according to the place. Okay. Now the next topic is face value. What is face value? Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay. For example, now see here I am taking one number 172. Okay. 172. What are the places? Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. Now we have to write the place values of these given digits. Clear? Now what is the face value? Face value of the digit is the digit itself. Okay. How it is? See. Face value of 2 will be 2. Okay. Now face value of 7. The face value of digit is digit itself. So here face value of 7 will be 7 itself. Okay. Whether it is at ones place, tens place, hundreds place, whatever, their place value of the digits will remain the same. Okay. The digit itself. Okay. Here 1 is at hundreds place. So its place value will be 1 only. Okay. 1 itself. Here the face value is the number itself, the digit itself. Okay. Now another number 707. Okay. Here face value of 7 which is at ones place will be 7. Okay. 0 face value is the number face value of a digit is digit itself. So face value of 0 will be 0. Okay. Now we also know that base value of 0 is always 0. Okay. Now face value of 7. Face value of 7 will be the number itself, that is 7 itself. Okay. So face value of a digit is digit itself. Okay. Whether it is at ones place, tens place or hundreds place, the value will be the digit itself, the number itself. Okay. Okay. So now if the question is write the place value and face value. Okay. Place value and face value of the underlined digit. Okay. These digits are underlined 8, 0, 6 and 7 in these given numbers. Okay. So how will we write the place value and face value? Here, so this first number is 384. The first number is 384 and the underlined digit is 8. Okay, so first we'll write the place value of 8. Now what is the place of 8? Ones, tens. 8 is at tens place. 8 tens means place value will be 80. Okay, now we have to write the face value of 8. Same digit. Okay, so what is face value? Face value of a digit is digit itself. Okay, so we'll write the number itself. Okay, 8. Clear? Now next number is 207. Underlined digit is 0. Okay, now we know that place value of 0 is always 0. Okay, so place value will be 0 and face value is the digit itself. So again face value will be 0. Okay, now third number is 635. What is the underlined digit? 6. What is the place of 6? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, 6 is at hundreds place, so its place value will be 600. Okay, and face value is the digit itself. Face value of a digit is the digit itself, so face value will be 6. Okay, now last number is 197. 7 is at ones place. 7 ones, so place value will be 7. Okay, now face value will be 7 again. Okay, face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, now see, so face value of the digit is the digit itself. Clear all of you? This question is not given in the book, just for explanation I have written. Okay, this type of question I will be giving in copy. Clear? Okay students, so see here, question number 1. Question number 1, draw and color the beads to show the given numbers on abacus. Okay, now 2 I have done here. I am going to explain. Rest of the 4 you have to do by your own. Okay, so just listen carefully. Here you have to draw the beads. Okay, in this way you have to draw small circles. Okay, according to the number given. Okay, this is the abacus. Places are given, ones, tens and hundreds, and digits are also given. The number is 304. 4 is at ones place. Okay, 0 is at tens place. 3 is at hundreds place. Okay, so here you have to draw and color the bead. You can use any color. Okay, now see here. What is at ones place? It is 4. So how many beads I have drawn? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you have to draw 4 beads at ones place. Okay, now what is at tens place? 0. 0 means you do not have to draw any bead. Okay, then what is at hundreds place? 3. Draw 1, 2 and 3 beads. Okay, you can color in this way. Okay, now after drawing the beads you can color. Okay, now next number is 413. Okay, so what is at ones place? 3. Okay, so draw 3 beads. Then what is at tens place? 1. Draw 1 bead. Okay, then 4 is at hundreds place, so draw 4 beads and color that. Okay, it's very simple and easy question. You can do it by your own. Okay, so this question you have to do in your book itself. Clear? now our next topics are expanded form and short form. Okay. Now first of all, expanded form. What is expanded form? Okay. When a number is expressed or shown as the sum of the place value. Okay. As the sum of the place value of each digit. Okay. Let us try to understand with the help of an example. For example, here number is 7, 6, 1. Okay. 761. Okay. Now this is the number. We are going to show this number as the sum of. Okay. We are going to show this number. We are going to express this number as the sum of the place values of each digit. Okay. Now this is the sum and we are going to express it as the sum of place values. Okay. So we'll begin with highest place value. Here in this 3-digit number, the highest place is hundreds place. Okay. So we'll write the place value of 7. 7 is at hundreds place. So its place value will be 700. Okay. Then we write the sign of addition. We have to express it as the sum of digits. Okay. We have to express this number as the sum of place value of each digit. Okay. So we'll put the sign of addition here. Then next number is, after 7 it is 6. 6 is at tens place. So 6 tens is 60. Okay. We have to write the place values of each digit, putting the sign of addition. Okay. Then ones place is 1. 1 1. Okay. So its place value will be 1. Okay. So this is the expanded form. Okay. We have expressed the number. We have expressed the number. We have shown the number in expanded form. We have shown it as the sum. We have shown this number as the sum of the place values of each digit. Okay. 3, 5, 4. Okay. So how will we write this in expanded form? We'll write the place values of each digit and we'll begin from highest place. The highest place is 3. 3 is at hundreds place. Its place value will be 300. Okay. Place value of 3 will be 300 plus place value of 5 here is 50. 5 tens is 50 plus place value of 4 is at ones place. So place value will be 4. Okay. So in this way we can express the number in expanded form. Okay. In this way we can show the number as the sum of place values. Okay. Got it? This is the expanded form. Clear? Now short form. Okay. So short form or standard form. Okay. Short form or standard form. We write the short form. Okay, from the expanded form. Now what is short form? Okay, it is the combination of the face value of each digit at correct place. Okay, let me write the expanded form first. 100 plus 60 plus 7. Okay, now this I have written expanded form. What is it? 100 plus 60 plus 7. Now how will we write the short form? What is the short form? It is the combination of the face value of each digit. Okay, at correct place. Correct place means ones, tens and hundreds. Here for 3-digit number. Okay. So first of all, see, first number is 100. That means here we know that this is hundreds place. This is for tens place and this is ones place. Okay. So what are the face value here at this numbers of these numbers? Face value here is 1. Okay, hundreds place face value is 1. Tens place face value is 6 and ones place face value is 7. So now we combine these digits. Okay, and write these digits at its correct places. Okay, so here we'll write 1 at hundreds place, 6 at tens place and 7 at ones place. Okay. So this is the short form. Okay, this is the short form. We have combined the face value of each digit and return it at its correct place. Okay, so the number is 167. The short form of this expanded form is 167. Okay, now here if I take another example, only we can see here only two numbers are written in this expanded form. One place is not given. Which place is not here? Okay, which place is not given here? This is 700, we know this is hundreds place. Okay, 8, we know it's an ones place. Okay, 8 is at ones place, single digit. Now tens place is not given. Okay, tens place is not here in this expanded form. So how will we write this in correct place, this digits at its correct place? Now see here, we know face value of this number is 7. Face value of ones place is 8. Okay, now write this digits, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, we'll write 7 at hundreds place, 700. Okay, face value will be 7. Now tens place is not given here. Okay, that means here at tens place we'll write 0. Okay, when place is not given here in expanded form, face value is not clear, that means at that place there is 0. Okay, now 8 is at ones place, so write here 8, and the number form, the short form is 708, that is 708. Okay, this is the short form, 700 plus 8, the number is 708, 708. Clear? Okay, so now we'll do these two questions in book. Question number 4, write each of the numbers in expanded form, and question number 5, write each of the following in standard form. Okay, it is on page number 29. Okay, so first of all, question number 4, write each of the numbers in expanded form. Okay, first number is 359. Okay, now we'll begin from highest place. First is 3 is at hundreds place, 300s. So place value will be 300. 5 is at tens place, 5 tens. So place value will be 50. Then 9. Okay, 9 is at ones place. So place value will be 9. Okay, now 720. Highest place is 7. Okay, 700. 7 is at hundreds place, so its place value will be 700. 2 is at tens place, 2 tens means 20, and then 0 is at ones place. Place value of 0 is always 0 also. Okay, now third number is 586. Place of 5 is hundreds, so place value is 500. Okay, 500s. So place value will be 500. 8 is at tens place. So place value will be 8 tens means 80. Then 6 ones. Place value is 6. 500 plus 80 plus 6. Okay. Then 612. Okay. Place value of 6 will be 600. It is at hundreds place. Place value of 1 will be 10 as it is at tens place. Then place value of 2 will be 2 ones. Okay, it is at ones place. So 600 plus 10 plus 2. The expanded form of this number is 600 plus 10 plus 2. Now last number is 205, that is 205. Okay, so place value of 2 will be 200. 2 is at hundreds place. Next number is 0, which is at tens place. So simply we'll write 0 at tens place. Okay, next number will be 0. Then third digit is 5, which is at ones place. So place value will be just 5. Okay, the expanded form of 205 is 200 plus 0 plus 5. We can also write this expanded form as 200 plus 5. Okay, clear? So write this answer in your books, all of you. Okay, so question number 5. Write each of the following in standard form or short form. Okay, expanded forms are given. Now we have to write the number in short form. We have to combine the face values and write at correct places. Okay, now here the number expanded form is 800 plus 60 plus 2. Now here the face value of hundreds place is 8, face value of tens place is 6, and face value of ones place is 2. Now we'll combine these digits. Hundreds place 8, tens place 6, ones place 2. So the number is 862. Okay. Now face value of 200 plus 20 plus 9. Okay. Face value of hundreds place is 2. Face value of tens place is 2. Face value of ones place is 9. Now we'll combine all these three digits. We'll write 2, 2, 9. Okay. So the short form is 229. Okay. The standard form is 229. Now here only two numbers are given in expanded form. Okay. 400 plus 4. So which place is not given? Tens place is not given. Okay. The place which is not given, at that place will write 0. Okay. So here face value of hundreds place is 4. Tens place is not given, so we'll write 0 at tens place, and face value of ones place is 4. Now we'll combine this values, face values. Hundreds place will be 4, tens place not given, we'll write 0, and ones place is 4. Okay, so the standard form, the short form is 404. Okay, 404, 404. Okay. Now next expanded form is 500 plus 60 plus 8. Okay. Now face value of hundreds place is 5. Face value of tens place is 6. Face value of ones place is 8. Okay. Now we'll combine all these face values and write it at its correct place. 5 will be written at hundreds place, 6 will be written at tens place, and 8 will write at ones place. So the standard form, the short form is 568. Okay. Now again only two numbers are given. Tens place is again not given. The expanded form here is 800 plus 7. Okay. So face value of hundreds place is 8. Face value of ones place is 7. Okay. Now tens place is not given. That means we'll write 0 at tens place. Okay. So let us combine the values. We'll write hundreds place 8. At hundreds place we'll write 8. Tens place is not given. We'll write 0 at tens place. And then at ones place we'll write 7. Okay. So the standard form or the short form is 807. Okay. I hope this exercise is clear to you. Write these answers in your book. Okay. Now see here. These parts I have done on the board. I have explained and done on the board. Now these two parts you have to do in your homework. Clear, students? These two parts you have to do by your own. Okay. It will be your homework. Got it? Okay, so here we complete our exercise 2.3. Okay, and next session we'll discuss the topics comparing the numbers and arranging the numbers in ascending and descending. Okay, so complete all of your homework in the book. Clear? So take care.